Staying on task can be difficult, but it can be particularly challenging when you are surrounded by constant distraction. In today's always connected world, diversions are nothing more than a click away. Even during quiet moments, distraction is literally at your fingertips as you find yourself checking your Instagram notifications or the latest news updates. Whether you are trying to finish a report at work or competing in a marathon, your ability to focus can mean the difference between success and failure. Improving your mental focus is achievable, but that doesn't mean that it's always quick and easy. It will take some real effort on your part, and you may have to make some changes to some of your daily habits. Here are 5 tips to help you get mentally focused. 1. Assess your mental focus. Your focus is good if you find it easy to stay alert. You set goals and break tasks up into smaller parts. You take short breaks, then get back to work. Your focus needs work if you daydream regularly. You can't tune out distractions. You lose track of your progress. 2. Eliminate distractions. One way to deal with distractions is to set aside a specific time and place and request to be left alone for that period of time. Another alternative is to seek out a calm location where you know you will be able to work undisturbed. The library, a private room in your house, or even a quiet coffee shop might all be good spots to try. 3. Take a short break. Researchers have found that even taking very brief breaks by shifting your attention elsewhere can dramatically improve mental focus. So the next time you are working on a prolonged task, such as preparing your taxes or studying for an exam, be sure to give yourself an occasional mental break. Shift your attention to something unrelated to the task at hand, even if it is only for a few moments. 4. Live in the moment. It's tough to stay mentally focused when you are ruminating about the past, worrying about the future, or tuned out of the present moment for some other reason. It may take some time, but work on learning to truly live in the moment. You cannot change the past and the future has not happened yet, but what you do today can help you avoid repeating past mistakes and pave a path for a more successful future. 5. Keep practicing. Building your mental focus is not something that will happen overnight. Even professional athletes require plenty of time and practice in order to strengthen their concentration skills. One of the first steps is to recognize the impact that being distracted is having on your life. If you are struggling to accomplish your goals and find yourself getting sidetracked by unimportant details, it is time to start placing a higher value on your time. By building your mental focus, you will find that you are able to accomplish more and concentrate on the things in life that truly bring you success, joy, and satisfaction. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related videos, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, make health your greatest wealth. If you like more tips on health and wellness, subscribe to the channel.